What's up everyone, welcome back. In today's video we are going to repot this absolutely beautiful echeveria called as echeveria pink zaragoza. We have an earthen pot which is around 2.5 inches of depth. We have our soil mix which is 80% aquarium sand, 20% filtered garden soil with half a teaspoon of activated charcoal, and rest this would be around 10% of pumice. So we are going to quickly give it a mix. There are no fertilizers added in this soil mix. We do not need excess fertilizers. The fertilizers that are present in the garden soil is more than enough for the succulent. Soil is ready. Let's cover the drain hole. Place the succulent in the center. That's about it. We have repotted her. We won't be watering it immediately. We will wait for at least 4 or 5 days. And after that, we will go ahead and do a complete watering.